Okay, folks. I've had, a lot of emails, comments, some comments, but mostly emails, and it's about, how they say because I have a video on the Poulan chainsaw, and there is I explained some things I don't like and stuff like that, carburetor wise, and so on. But there's one thing I've never had problems with this thing is starting, and people say they can't get them to start. They're pulling their arms off, and they kind of don't believe. I guess no matter what you say, some people ends up lucky with a product, and there's 50 people that it's garbage. So I just wanted these saws haven't been started since, well, it's been 4 months. It's been like October. So let's just say it's 3.5, 4 months, right? And I'm sure it needs gas. I brought some petrol. So now I haven't done anything with these. Okay, you got to take that as face value, whatever. But I'll turn this here. So I'm going to see. Chances are there's no flashlight. Anyway, there's no gas. So I'm going to fill. I don't have a. I don't know. This is probably half full. So I'll fill it up that much. I'm not going to worry about the bar chain oil because I know damn well that's empty. That's one of the problems with this saw. Alright, so let's check this. Yeah, there's nothing in there either. I don't know. Maybe you can see that. But there's nothing in there, so. But whatever remains in here. Oh, 3/4 should do it. Close that up. Now, this here, you all know, I'm sure if you're watching this, but on this Farm Boss, the 520, or what is it? MS271. Need better glasses. But on this, there is no priming or purge or priming bulb. On this one, there is. But hey, it is what it is, right? Most of the people that were, because I asked that, they have a version with the purge bulb, right? So you deal with what you got. This is brand new almost, and this one is, well, 10 years old or something. So can you see this? Yes. Now, all I'm going to do, this is all in real time, so I'll start this one first, do the procedure that it says, and we'll see if it starts quicker than this one. I hope they don't make me out a liar. Turn it on, pull the choke out. Like that. How many times? 6 or 9. So I'm going to turn this thing over. I'll be off camera right next to you. But now, that was two pulls, I think. And like I said, this thing hasn't been started for 4 months, okay? Let's try this one. We'll follow the procedure. You got to put the handle down all the way. All right. Now, I might be off camera here for a second, but we have 4. 1, 2, 3. That's what it says in the manual. You flip it up to the next one. Oh, fuck. Right? Then you push the trigger and it's supposed to go up. So, let's do this again. All the way down. You pull until. So, I mean, it did go, but that's how this machine acts every single time. This was it was good today, actually. But normally, you'd spend 5 times that trying to get this going. And, you know, it's brand new, I understand that. It has that, I don't know what I forget what you call a carburetor, but it's no primer or nothing on it. So, now, you've seen it here, folks. For me, and that's all I'm saying this video is for me, I prefer this saw, okay? But as of, like, I'm going to be honest, I wish that those guys, you know, did what these guys did and put a primer bulb in it, you know what I mean? Whatever makes it go, like, great saw. So anyway, folks, yeah, so that's all I got to say, folks. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You know, click the bell. I know that there's a lot more interesting videos out there, but I really do appreciate all the subscribers, and it's growing. And yeah, and I just love the comments, emails, and yeah, so once again, thank you, and see you on the next one.